Okay, today we're going to start the new video, that is print an inverted star pattern. Okay, so we here are going to not start, it is star pattern. Okay, so let's consider the expected output will be this. Let's consider we have 3 star, 1 2 1 2 3 2 and the 1. So in this fashion we have to print the output, that is inverted star pattern. Let's start. Okay, we are going to use the for loop as usual. We are going to take the number from user as num as input, so integer number taken as input, please enter the number. So for loop I start range. Okay, and start from this n. Okay, so that is the number comma to 0, and inverted means from minus. Okay, so this is the way, start from the minus to n. Okay, so 5 4 3 2 1 up to this. We're going to print it, print n minus I star star empty space plus I star, print the star. 5 n is not defined, it is num. Always I did mistake with num and n. Okay, so this way. So first the number is 5, it is going to start 5. Okay, so 5 here, range it is 5. First I is equal to 5, after that comes to here, and I minus num minus I, so it will be going to start 1. Okay, and after that this one, it is like for loop, simply it's for loop. So starting from, if I give the 5 number here, so it will be going to print the 5 star first, 5 star first, after that 4, after that 3, after that 2, and after that 1. Okay, so initially we start with 5 because whatever number we print it's going to start. Okay, the steps initially start with the 5, end with the 0, and steps is the minus 1. Okay, so whatever number we have, every iteration we are going to do the minus 1. So first we have print 5. Okay, so after that we have minus 1, its next iteration will be 4, so third iteration will be 3, so 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so we have here 3 steps. First is the start, end, and the steps. So, okay, so you can put your step, or you can give any steps as per your requirement. Okay, in print statement I minus num minus I. Okay, so number is, let's consider 5. Okay, and number is, initial number is 5, and I also 5. So 5 minus I minus 5 minus 5 is 0, into star there is no multiplication, so it will going to print the first 5. Okay, so next things, I minus number is 5, I minus I is equal to 4, I minus 1, it will going to print 1. So these are the, in this fashion it's going to run it. Okay, so that's it for this start pattern. You can use the plus also. Okay, you can use the inverted, or you can do the another star pattern also. Just we need to change this condition. These are the two conditions we need to change, and you can do your star pattern program. Thank you for watching.